Once upon a time in a dense forest, there lived a clever jackal. One day he was very hungry and ventured into a nearby village, hoping to find food. As he sneaked around, he was spotted by some dogs. They began to chase him, barking loudly. Frightened, the jackal ran as fast as he could to escape. In his panic, he jumped into a large tub of blue dye that was kept outside a washerman's house. When the jackal climbed out of the tub, he was completely blue. He looked at himself in surprise and realized that he no longer looked like an ordinary jackal. The dogs didn't recognize him and ran away. The jackal, now with a brilliant idea, returned to the forest. All the animals were astonished to see a blue creature they had never seen before. Seizing the moment, the jackal declared, "I have been sent by the gods to rule over all of you. From now on, I am your king." The animals, believing him to be a divine being, obeyed him without question. The blue jackal enjoyed his new life as king. The animals brought him food, treated him with respect, and he lived in comfort. He even made the other jackals leave the forest, fearing they would recognize him. For a while, everything went smoothly. But one night, as the blue jackal was resting, he heard the distant howls of the other jackals. Forgetting about his disguise, he too began to howl loudly, as was natural for jackals. The animals immediately realized that he was not a special creature, but just an ordinary jackal in disguise. Furious at being tricked, they chased him out of the forest, and the blue jackal was never seen again. Moral of the story: pretending to be someone you're not can help for a short while, but the truth will always come out. Honesty is always the best policy.